Right now, let's keep talking jobs. The big picture looked pretty good from jobless claims, but Alphabet, a standout with some cuts happening. Back to Diane King Hall. So when you look at this, Diane, Alphabet's supposed to be in this big AI revolution. What are they doing cutting jobs?
Yep. Indeed. Well, the hatchet headed to the workforce once again, Oliver. This time again in the tech sector, it seems kind of like a continuation of that year of efficiency that we saw in 2023 with layoffs continuing in the tech sector. Again, this morning we've got Alphabet, Google in focus. There was reportedly a memo that went out last night, the company CEO warning it would have to do another round of layoffs. CEO Sundar Pichai saying that this company needs to do this year. This as it increases its investments in key areas like, of course, the buzzword that we've been talking about since last year. That would be AI, really generative AI in focus there. We know the company has already eliminated positions this year, some 12,000 positions. Now, Pichai saying that the reduction in force won't be as large as what we saw earlier this year, won't be the same scale when it let go of those permanent team members that it saw. That some teams, it's a quote, will continue to make resource allocation decisions. So we will be watching to see what teams are affected. We have already seen news about some job cuts from layoff industry trackers. That would be layoff.fyi affecting YouTube. So we've seen 100 job cuts there. So that's a portion of the job cuts that we're seeing so far. But in general, we are seeing these cuts come back to the tech sector again and come around. In terms of the impact to the share price, you are seeing shares of Alphabet, Google tick higher today, a little off the highs of the session, up more than 0.5%, but still near the 52-week high. Right now, that stock trading around 143, just above $143 a share. So you see, in terms of that efficiency, Wall Street is receiving that well, and what it wants to do with regard to turning more of its focus to AI and generative AI, and we know that it's already kind of come to the party with its large-scale model, which, according to some tests, it has performed better than than GPT-4, which is the beefed-up iteration of ChatGPT.
So their tech is not lagging so much. In fact, it's almost like the tech is enabling this to some degree. It's a really interesting spot we're in, that we're seeing some of the real ramifications of AI job replacement in a way, but market is okay with it, with shares higher, especially in the year of efficiency from Meta. It seems like these tech companies are pretty ready to have new ways to increase productivity and drop costs.
Yeah, indeed. And I mean, in terms of the data of the layoff trackers so far this year, according to layoffs.fyi, there have been more than 7,500 layoffs so far in the tech industry in the first a little more than 2 weeks of this year. So again, we're seeing just, kind of that ongoing pattern of just creating more efficiency within the tech sector, and that increased focus on AI and just shifting the workforce in that direction.
All right. The robots are here. Alphabet 142, pretty close to that high. All right, thanks, Diane, for the update here. I like the context of the jobs overall in tech. Appreciate it.